Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today got something very special here. This is the Yeelight Lightstrip Plus. It's actually by Xiaomi. Yeelight is a subsidiary brand to Xiaomi, and we're gonna be unboxing the new Lightstrip Plus they have here. It's a new improved version which can be extendable and also obviously works with Google Assistant. This is the global version, which is nice. So over here you can see the packaging, what it contains, and you can also purchase the extension for up to 1 meter, it looks like. Yeah, so the one I got here is the starter kit, which is 2 meters. You can see what you can do with the lighting. You can control the voice, you can get extendable, which is very great. 33 feet long, which is crazy. You can synchronize your music, many options of colors, group control, and many other features as well. So as you can see, these are the packaging, and the wireless connection of this thing is Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, and it also works with the Yeelight app, so you can download the application to pair it with your Lightstrip. So let us get unboxing here. Let me cut off the seals, so like this, and then there's another seal here. Alright, so let's see. I think it opens like this. Here, slide up? No, it's nice here. Yep, here we go. It's over here, and here we have it, the Lightstrip, 2 meters long. So let us pull the tab here. Yeah, well, for now I'm gonna just turn it over and see what else do we get in the box. So let me just put it aside like this, and over here we get the user manual in English, which is nice. So this is the global version. Oh, we got some kind of card here, and this is the instructions how to set up everything. So we just open up, you can see all the things you need to know about the device. We got warning as well, features, and so on. And you obviously can download the applications. As I said, you want to pair it. So this one is the 2-pin UK plug that comes with it. This is the adapter, it seems. Yep. And this is the switch to control the lights and turn it off, I guess. And we have the connector, looks like this is the power connector, and yeah, this one is where you plug your power. So that's pretty much it in the box actually. So let us take out everything. Let's give you a closer look of the lightings. So you can see at the end here, this is the part where I was saying is extendable, so you can buy the extension and plug it in and extend another meter long. And over here you can see all these stickers. These are the tape. You have to peel off this thing in order to stick it to wherever you want to stick it. So this is how long it is, 2 meters, and that is actually the initial unboxing. Let me get all these things out. Put these things aside. Alright, so let's take a closer look. So this is the control, and yeah, and this is where you plug in the power, as I said over here. And I think I'm not mistaken, there's a place we can cut off the strip. There's a part we can cut it off, where if it's too long you may cut it off. Oh, there we go, that's the indicator you can cut. So there is the cutting point. If you really think it's too long, you can cut it. However, you cannot extend it anymore. Just take note of that. So yes, and that is all actually for the unboxing. Let me set it up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so you can see I've assembled the lights at the back of my table over there, And now you can see there is this switch over there, so I sticked it at the back, and I did cut it in a few pieces, cut it in how to say, shorter, because it was too long. So this is the perfect size for my PC area, you can see. So main thing is the app here, so I'm gonna give you guys a closer look here at the Xiaomi apps. So you need to install the Mi Home app, or you can download the Yeelight app from the Play Store. So you can go to the Play Store and search over here Yeelight, but I didn't use the Yeelight app. You can install it if you want. So this is the app. I'm gonna use the Mi Home app for this video. So you can see I've already installed it. You open it, you can see we got a bunch of modes here. So you have the off button, which turns off the display, obviously. I mean, turns off the lights. You can see it's all off. So we turn it on, and you can control the color. So if we go up and down, is the brightness of the color strip. You can see it's going dimmer now. If you scroll left, you can change the colors to reddish or something. Oh, look at that. Or you can just swipe right, change to something brighter, blue or something. So this is the manual lighting. If you want the individual lighting, this is the one to go. Next we have flow. So flow looks like it will randomize between your flow settings. Let's see, you choose a reddish kind of flow. So you click apply. So it's basically like this is how to say, there's a sequence of lights going on now. You can adjust the speed, so you can go right further. You can see let me zoom in. There you go. So you can see if I scroll to the right, it's going faster. If I scroll to the left, it's going slower. You can see the tortoise logo there. Yeah, so moving on, we got the timer. So this one, you can set a timer for the lights to turn off. You can do it, I think you can control it more into settings application. And finally, we have favorites. So we have a lot of presets you can use that they've given. So let's say I want to try this date night. Apply, and it's applying the date night sort of a preset, which is nice. Right, so now let us what else do we have here? Go back. So we can scroll to the right here. You can actually access some more things. Let's see. No, sorry, there's a 3 dots up here. You can press that. Yeah, take you to the settings. So here you can set the timer, schedulings, and default state. Scheduling looks like you can set a time where it shuts off and turns on by itself. Let's see. Yeah, set on time, set off time, but I'm not gonna do that. So you can do automatic lights turning on and off. Have the device name, location. So mine is in my room, and you can share devices with your family members if you want. Yeah, you have the automation as well, and firmware updates. So this is the latest version. I've just updated it to the latest. If additional settings, this one looks like security settings and password. Okay, if you want to secure your device with password, you can add the home screen, and obviously the provide feedback. And lastly, that's it. So pretty or nice apps here. Actually, a lot of settings you can play around with, and you also can control it using Google Assistant. So I'll give you a try here. So let me see. Turn off lights. You can see it turns off. So the lights are off. You can see it's all black. And now let us turn it back on. So you can just say like this: turn on lights, and the lights are on. So yeah, Google Assistant works flawlessly without any issues, and the brightness you can control here as well if you want. Yep, here we go with the time there, and you can turn it off for good and turns off. So guys, yeah, that is the Yeelight Lightstrip. Let's go back to the app and turn it on. So on. And yeah guys, so that is pretty much it for the Yeelight Lightstrip unboxing and setup as well. You can see I attach it at the back of my table, pretty nice. you can put it anywhere else in your area. I mean, you can put it at the stairs or something, or maybe at the TV area. It doesn't have to be a computer area. But for me, I want to spice things up a bit, so you can see it's quite nice. So guys, that's all for this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.